A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most gracious, the most merciful. This is Engineer Faisal Ejaz, and today I am presenting a lecture on a topic corrosion. And also I want to introduce my YouTube channel of entitled Chemical Engineering Edge Tech. And also I have discussed different topics related to chemical engineering, and the title of these topics you are watching at background pages. And also I have a special offer for my viewers, and if you want to understand a topic related to chemical engineering, then please WhatsApp to me that topic name. I will try my best to cover it. Jazakallah. And after subscribing my channel, you will get my latest videos. In this video, I am presenting a lecture on topic corrosion. The basic purpose of this topic is to clear your concept about corrosion, also industrial importance of corrosion. So corrosion is a worldwide problem that strongly affect natural and industrial environment. So today strongly accepted that corrosion and pollution are interrelated because many pollutants cause corrosion. So we will face corrosion problem in automotive industries, in oil and chemical industries, also in water treatment processes. And now we will start our topic from definition of corrosion. After that we will discuss disadvantages, reasons of corrosions and types of corrosions. Now we will try to understand why corrosion take place. So thermodynamically corrosion favor reverse reaction, and if you observe this chemical reaction in which Fe2O3, which is a reactant, and that reactant is at low energy state and also in stable condition, and after requiring energy, that reactant convert into product, and that product have high energy state and also unstable. And always when these type of products try to go into stable state, then corrosion take place. If we explore our concept about corrosion reasons, then we found three reasons, and the first one is chemical reaction. So a typical chemical corrosion reaction occur at high temperature, where the metal reacts with hot gases and form a oxide layer, and that oxide layer cause of corrosion. According to second cause of corrosion, which is metallophysical reaction, and we will understand that reaction with the help of an example. And according to that example, embrittlement caused by hydrogen, and that hydrogen gas diffuse into a metal, and that leading to failure of a component. So embrittlement can be the result of a careless manufacturing process, and example of this process is that when surface coating such as electrochemical zinc plating are not applied properly on high strength steel products, then it can also be initiated corrosion process. According to third reason of corrosion, which is electrochemical reaction, and that is most frequent type of corrosion. So the most common corrosion reaction is electrochemical in nature. So such reactions take place during exchange of electrons in the metal and ions in a conducting electrolyte. According to types of corrosion, the first one is uniform corrosion, and uniform corrosion is a form of corrosion where the surface is removed almost evenly. And if you concentrate on this diagram, and that surface is not evenly, it's uneven. And also you can see the second diagram to complete your concept. Pitting corrosion is second type of corrosion, and according to this Pitting corrosion is a localized form of corrosion, and the meaning of localized is specific point. It's mean that corrosion start at a point, not at the whole surface. So after this corrosion, we found small holes or pits in the surface of metal, and you are observing this diagram. In the center of this block you are observing a hole, and after the result of pitting corrosion we found these types of holes or pits. Crevicescrutin, which is a third type of corrosion, and according to this, crevicescrutin refer to corrosion occurring in between cracks, and these cracks between two surfaces, and these surfaces may be between same metals, and maybe between different metals, and maybe between metals and non-metals. If you observe this diagram, then in the arrows you are observing that these are showing possible areas of crevicescrutin in the structure, and as a result of this type of corrosion we found this type of result which you are showing in diagram. Stress corrosion cracking, which is a fourth type of corrosion, and according to this, stress corrosion cracking is a combination of both mechanical and electrochemical corrosion. And if you observe these diagrams, curved areas are under stress, and as a result of that stress, cracks create. So these cracks create as a result of mechanical action, and after that electrochemical reactions start, and it create corrosion, and also these stresses have causes, and the external stress may be caused by centrifugal force and due to temperature variations, and residual stresses due to forming, heat treatment, due to welding, machining and grinding. So any type of stress may produce cracks, and these cracks when undergo electrochemical reaction, then we found corrosion, and that corrosion is called stress corrosion cracking, and its abbreviation is SCC. Next is intercrystalline or intergranular corrosion, and according to this, intercrystalline corrosion is a special form of localized corrosion where the corrosive attack take place in a quite narrow path in the metal structure, and you are observing the path in this diagram where corrosion attack.